Hey y'all, Hungry Hussey here, and I know a lot of you got brand new Blackstone griddles, and I want to say welcome to the community. Hey, you about to embark your journey on bacon. Ooh, bacon. Bacon grease, pancakes, smash burgers, fried rice, you name it. But there's also going to be some trials and tribulations, unless you watch this video, y'all. Today I want to show you the 4 most common mistakes that will eliminate you having frustrations, setting off the smoke alarm. Uh-oh, yeah, it's in the house. Listen up, you are going to want to see this. Also, we got a bonus mistake. Yes, we said 4, but we're giving you 5. So be sure to watch till the end. Mistake number 1, not preheating the griddle. Y'all, you can't just throw your food on a cold griddle and expect magic. It's like trying to fry an egg on a block of ice. Give it a few minutes to get nice and toasty, or you're going to end up with more stick than sizzle. Hey, if you want to play tug of war with that piece of chicken, lifeless piece of chicken, hey, you just do you, all right? Hey, mistake number 2 is cooking at too hot of a temperature. Look at this right here. This thing is smoking hot. We got an egg right here. Hey, this ain't a NASCAR event, y'all. You want to kind of go at a lower temperature, especially for eggs. Hey, cooking at this temperature, you're going to burn everything faster than you can say, uh-oh. Look at that. Woo! Well, that is no good. No good. Cousin Larry, he ain't gonna like his eggs like this, y'all. I'm gonna guarantee it. Mistake number 3, no thermometer Tim. You don't want to be like Tim. Tim says, oh, I'll just poke it. Poke it like that right there. Use your web of your finger. That's well done. A little bit lower. That's medium well. No. Tim, the web of your finger is not FDA approved, cuz. I'm just gonna tell you that right now. Get you a nice instant read thermometer, just like this. Put it in. Make sure it's exactly the temperature. You're either gonna serve a flip-flop, which is so dang hard you can't even bite into it, or you're gonna send the Andersons to the hospital. And you don't want that, even if they are the Andersons. Hey, number 4, this isn't the last. We got one more bonus, so stick around. Knowing your zones. Gotta know your zones. Blackstone is like a chess, like playing chess. Check, 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 check. Look, hey, check this out. Low, no, off, low. The reason why I want this is to just hold stuff, okay? A little bit of this heat's gonna come over here, right? Keeps everything just at a warm state, all right? You can even take this to off. You can kind of cycle it, all right? If you got a thermometer like mine, it's got an infrared. Look, 200, 220 degrees. A little bit hotter right here, about 300 degrees. Turn that off. It's just a warming zone if you need it, right? Over here, I got these on high. Look at this, high heat, right? Look at that, we're 420 degrees. Over 100 degree swing, okay? Knowing your zones, but not only is your burners independently zones, what's cool about Blackstones are around the edges are also, just because of thermodynamics, you keep it up against the corner, a little bit cooler, okay? So using these zones will help drastically of making that big mistake of having some burnt junk, okay? You do not want burnt junk. So knowing your zones and being comfortable with your zones will help you be an awesome cook. Last but not least is be a little patient, okay? We're all busy. We all got this, we all got that. Hey, I know it's done. I know it smells amazing. Maggie can't wait for her. Look at that. The old girl, she's drooling. But hey, if you cut into that steak right now, thing's leaking like a Polish faucet, y'all. Hey, what you want to do, let that thing rest for about 5 minutes at least. If you let it rest, then cut into it, and man, you will have perfection. I mean, look at this steak right here. But guys, that's all I got for you. The only thing is, I got these nice griddle temperature magnets, nice tutorial, nice little tips right here, conveniently located next to your griddle. It's a magnet. Hey, that's all I got. Keep these tips in mind. You'll be griddling like a dang champ, and you'll be saying, that's some good groceries.